Ginamitan na nila ng extension itong Dragons. Getting to the 2. Does it get there? Kailangan pumreno ngayon. Yes, exactly. Table is now open for the Quezon City Dragons.
Back-to-back wins. 2 straight wins lang ang pinakamalayo na nakarating ng both teams tonight. Will it be the Manila MSW Mavericks or will it be? And they need Negos to win just 2 or 1 or none at all next week for them to become the number 1 seed for those 2 weeks ng ating playoff action.
Quezon City, this 9 ball away from having the first 3 rack advantage of the day.